Meet the Handmade Pearl Straw Clutch, your perfect summer companion. Step into effortless elegance with the Handmade Pearl Straw Clutch, a must-have accessory for summer outings, beach trips, and special occasions. Hand-woven from high-quality straw, this lightweight yet durable bag brings a natural charm to your wardrobe. Measuring 9.1 inches in length, it provides just the right space to keep your essentials: lipstick, brush, phone, and small accessories, all within easy reach. The unique cloud dumpling shape adds a modern and trendy touch, making it a statement piece for any outfit. Its pearl strap enhances the look with a graceful, sophisticated feel, perfect for weddings, parties, or casual chic outings. Designed for versatility, you can carry it as a clutch, handbag, or shoulder bag, adapting to your style effortlessly. Delicate starfish and seashell embellishments make it an ideal pick for ocean lovers, capturing the beauty of seaside elegance. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a stylish gift for a loved one, the Handmade Pearl Straw Clutch is a timeless piece that complements every fashion-forward wardrobe. Elevate your summer look with this charming blend of elegance and coastal vibes. Find the product link in the description.